Today, we're making a warm, creamy, and delicious classic, chicken and dumplings. Start by heating 2 tablespoons of butter in a large pot. Add 1 chopped onion, 2 diced carrots, and 2 chopped celery stalks. Cook for about 5 minutes until the vegetables soften. Add 2 cloves of minced garlic and cook for another 30 seconds. Now sprinkle in 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour and stir well. Slowly pour in 4 cups of chicken broth while stirring to prevent lumps. Add 2 cups of cooked shredded chicken, 1 or 2 teaspoon of thyme, 1 or 2 teaspoon of black pepper, and salt to taste. Bring the soup to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat. For the dumplings, mix 1 cups of flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 3/4 cup of milk, and 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Stir until a soft dough forms. Drop small spoonfuls of the dough directly into the simmering chicken soup. Cover the pot and cook for about 15 minutes. Don't lift the lid during the first 10 minutes. The steam helps the dumplings become light and fluffy. Finally, stir in 1 to 2 cup of heavy cream and a little fresh parsley. And there you have it. Tender chicken, fluffy dumplings, and creamy, flavorful broth. Serve hot and enjoy this cozy, homemade comfort food with your family.